English to Gujarati. Can you?
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll master the polite power phrase, can you? Quote.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Think of it as your friendly magic key for help anywhere. Your goal today. You'll speak clearly, politely, and with a smile. Yes, even your voice can smile. Target phrase, can you? Quote.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Rhyme to remember. When unsure what to do, ask with a cue.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Gesture tip. Open both palms as you ask, friendly, inviting. Mini story. Market mix-up. Let's jump into a quick story you can picture instantly. At the market, you can't reach the top shelf. A vendor smiles, you take a breath that smells like fresh chai and ask, can you help?
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
He grabs the jar, you whisper.
કૃપા કરીને.
And taste victory as sweet as jaggery. The talking toaster at home even agrees to pop your bread, after you politely ask.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Forms and polite power-ups. Now, you'll flex the phrase in different shapes, like language yoga. Polite, request default, to one or more people.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Informal singular.
શું તું કરી શકે છે?
First person, can I? Quote.
શું હું કરી શકું?
Third person, can he? Quote.
શું તે કરી શકે છે?
Negative twist, can't you? Quote.
શું તમે કરી શકતા નથી?
Compare, will you? More about willingness.
શું તમે કરશો?
Politeness boosters, please.
કૃપા કરીને.
Help.
મદદ.
Memory hook. Ch.22 equals.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm and your mouth will follow. Music meets language. Clap, clap, rest. Say.
શું તમે
Clap, clap. Finish.
કરી શકો છો?
Full phrase, smooth melody.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Pro tip. Keep the question melody rising at the end. Dialogue at the info desk. Try a friendly role play, imagine the scene and speak out loud. You, hello? Gesture. Open palms.
કૃપા કરીને. શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Can you help? Agent. Sure. What do you need? You. Directions to the riverfront.
કૃપા કરીને.
Agent. No problem. Also, if you need to ask someone else, just say.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Culture tip. Garba night. Language plus culture equals super memory. At a lively Garba night, you see a dancer twirl and you ask, can you show me that step?
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Smile, nod, small step forward, and tilt your head as you ask. The answer comes with a grin and a lesson. Quick quiz. Pop quiz time. Say it before I reveal it. Question. How do you say, can you? Politely in Gujarati? Answer.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Bonus. At a shop, can you pack this? Keep the core question.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Challenge. Your turn. Talk to the room like it's your practice buddy. Role play. Ask a passerby, can you show me the station, please?
કૃપા કરીને. શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Level up. Try the informal to a close friend.
શું તું કરી શકે છે?
Sanity check. Don't drop the helper part. Not just,
તમે
but.
કરી શકો છો?
Memory palace. Imagine your front door glowing with.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Before you enter, say it aloud now. Wrap up and next steps. Nice work, your polite power level just went up. Today you learned to ask for help with confidence. Can you? Quote.
શું તમે કરી શકો છો?
Keep practicing with a smile, a small forward step, and open palms. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, downloads, and extra practice. See you next time.